Hey everybody, my name is I am Will. I'm here making a YouTube channel, and I hope everybody likes, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing short videos, traveling contents, outdoor contents, and all kinds of different contents. And I hope everybody will like, share into my video. I am new to YouTube. This is my first time starting up, and I hope everybody will like, share, and subscribe. I'm doing sitting out here at Subway right now, ordering me a sub, is making a video. So I hope everybody will like, share, subscribe to my YouTube video.